Hello and welcome everyone. This is Dr. Mahima. I am homeopathy consulting physician in Bharat Homeopathy. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the stages of kidney disease, or we call it as chronic kidney disease. So if you want to know about the chronic kidney stages, you should know about the glomerular filtration rate, or we call it as GFR. So the GFR is the filtration rate that your kidney is filtering in 1 minute. And the GFR rate is very important for you to know about the stages of your chronic kidney disease. So let's start with the chronic kidney stages. The first stage of chronic kidney disease is when your GFR level is more than 90 or 90. At this stage, a patient is feeling nothing. There is no symptom in the body. There is no physical complication related to the kidney. So at the second stage, when your GFR level goes down, the level comes in the range of 60 to 89. So at this stage, a patient will feel some complications in the body. He will see some signs in the body. Suppose, for example, there will be foaminess in the urine. So this is the first sign that your chronic kidney disease has started and your kidney is not functioning well. The third stage of kidney disease is when your GFR level goes down and it comes with a range of 30 to 59, and the complications in the body starts appearing, such as there will be backache, there will be nausea, the appetite will come down, the patient will say that my urine output has decreased, the patient will say that the foaminess in my urine has increased, the urine output is interrupted, maybe the urine is coming very low, or maybe the urine is coming very frequent. So these are the complications that we will see in the third stage of chronic kidney disease. The fourth chronic kidney disease is when the GFR level is within the range of 15 to 29. And this stage is very important for you because after this stage your kidney will stop working, or you will reach to a stage of end stage renal failure. So if you find yourself at this stage, then you should be very concerning about your health. You should take prompt action against your kidney disease, because at this level all the physical complication will start appearing, all the worsening condition that we see in a kidney patient, all the symptoms will come. So after this stage, the last stage will come, and that is fifth chronic kidney disease stage is when your GFR level is 15 or below 15. So this stage is also very concerning, because at this stage we know that after this stage the kidney will stop functioning completely and there will be renal failure. So these are the 5 chronic kidney stages that we know after seeing your eGFR levels. So if we know our chronic kidney stages, then we can take prompt action against our health and we can recover soon. Thank you.